it totally took a dive on me. I reformatted the card because I did that once before and it actually worked. So what if I recorded anything before I lost it? So GoPro, the Hero 8 has been nothing but trouble. I don't have any issues with my Hero 5 Black. So sadly, I might just go back to using that, and then this one I might just use as a prop or for vlogging, walking around with, and that type of stuff where I can hear it beep and what have you, and see it's working or not working. Versus when I'm riding and I can't see it. So GoPro, 2 fingers to you. You suck. Be definitely looking at a different brand next time. Maybe an Insta 360. They look interesting. Got a buddy that's I think is getting one, so if he gets it and it works out, I might go ahead and invest in one of those and just dump GoPro and just use them for extra cameras, or like I said, use this strictly for doing walking around type vlogs and hiking and stuff like that. GoPro can't make anything worth a damn. Okay, that's enough of that rant. Hopefully you liked it. Nice and short. Later.